Hello, first grade. This is Miss Kelly here with your math lesson for Thursday, August 23rd. Remember, we are not going to have another math lesson for Friday, but you can always go back into Seesaw and practice some of the activities that maybe you didn't finish from this week. But I'm really excited today because we're going to be able to create our own hundreds chart. We're not at school anymore. We don't have the anchor charts on the wall like we used to before. So today we're going to build our own. You're going to need a couple things today. You're going to need a piece of paper. You could be a scrap paper like Miss Kelly has. If you do have some nicer maybe construction paper, that would be great. And start with a pencil. You might go back later and add marker or color to your chart, but start with a pencil today. So again, some kind of piece of paper and a pencil, and then let's get started building our own hundreds chart. Okay, now that you have your piece of paper and your pencil in front of you, we're going to pretend like my computer is my piece of paper. I want you to start all the way in the very top corner, just like Miss Kelly is. Now, we're not going to draw the boxes like we normally have in a hundreds chart because that would take us a long time and it might be really tough. So what I want you to do is if Miss Kelly is going too fast for you, I want you to pause the video and make sure that you're writing as neatly as you can. At any point, you can pause this video so that you're making sure everything is nice and neat. Okay, so I know just like we did before this week when we were building out our dots to 120, we want to make sure that we're going in rows of 10. So when I get to 10, I'm going to stop and build my next row. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have my first row nice and straight across the paper. I understand that you're doing this not on a computer, so if yours is not as organized as Miss Kelly, that's okay. Just try your best. After we get to 10, we're going to go down and we're going to keep counting along. What comes after 10? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now notice, I'm keeping mine organized because I have the 11 right underneath 1, 12 is right underneath 2, 13 is right underneath 3. Make sure yours are staying organized like mine so it can be beautiful and perfect at the end. Okay, let's start our next row. 20, 21, 22, 23, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Next row, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. You see how mine are still in nice, neat rows. Make sure you're pausing if you need to keep yours in organized rows. What would come next? 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Here we go. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Okay, I know we got all the way to 100, but we know that amazing first graders can count all the way to what number? 120. So we're going to keep going. We don't want to stop at 100. We're going to keep going all the way to 120. Practice counting with me. We were at 100. What would come next? 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. Let's keep going all the way to 120. What comes after 110? 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. Whew, pat yourselves on the back. We have just built out our own hundreds chart. Way to go, first grade, for building your own hundreds chart. Now, after you've gone over it in pencil, you might go back and add marker and make it a little bit neater. That's exactly what Miss Kelly did. I started out with pencil, took my time, I made sure it was nice and neat and organized in my rows, and then I went back over it with marker, and now anytime I need it, I have my hundreds chart here to help me count. And what you're going to be doing today for your math work is you're going to be using your hundreds chart that you just built to record yourself counting backwards. So what I want you to do today is you're going to point, and we're going to start at 120 and count backwards. So I'm going to go 120, 119, 118, 117, 116, all the way until I got to the very first number 1. Okay? I can't wait to see these videos and hear you practice counting using your own hundreds chart. See you later, first grade.